Hi, I'm Brandie, the Suburban Gardenista, and I'm here at Origin Native Plants in Guelph, Ontario, to do a little tour of the Origin Native Plants Nursery and to meet with Alex, the owner and the wonderful mind behind this beautiful place. I'm very excited to see all that they have to offer and to get more native plants in my garden and hopefully encourage you to do the same. I'm here with Alex from Origin Native Plants in his beautiful native plant nursery in Guelph, Ontario, and I'm super excited to take a walk around. You want to say welcome to everybody?
Welcome to Origin Native Plants.
Awesome. Let's go and see all that he has to offer. So what do we have here at Origin Native Plants at your nursery?
So basically we are growing over 320 or so native species, and they're all split up into, you could split them into three broad categories, and it would be wetland, woodland, and prairie or meadow. We also offer combo packs that can be detailed to specific conditions, i.e. dry woodland, hot boulevard, low boulevard, sunny rain garden, shady rain garden, woodland, buckthorn busters. So the combos are very popular. It helps guide people and show them sort of, rather than being overwhelmed by 320 species, they can sort of lock in on a combo, see what they're trying to plant for, and then sort of build off of that. We are the only nursery, as far as I know, that is an off-grid nursery. We have no running water and no power, so all the water pumps are run off of solar panels and water banks, and the water comes in on a line from a well. We are true lovers of native plants, and we're all about heart. So our intent is your delight, and we love growing all the native plants that we can.
If you had to pick one native plant that was your favorite, I know this is going to be hard for you, what would be your favorite native plant?
It would probably be swamp milkweed, the Asclepias incarnata, because of its versatility, the smell, and the fact that it provides for the monarch butterflies.
Amazing. That's my favorite too. You have a million native plants here. What is the most unique native plant that you have growing here?
I would probably say the most unique native plant would be rattlesnake master.
Ooh.
Because it looks so strange compared to all the other plants, and it resembles more of something that you'd see in a desert. It's a prairie plant, so that to me is probably the most unique one.
So you do delivery too. You're delivering to all over Ontario and Quebec. Has this always been the case, or is this new?
Since we started shipping, we've always shipped to all of Ontario and Quebec. And it seems to be in high demand, and there seems to be zones where people can't access native plants. So it's interesting the volume of orders that we get for shipping.
So your passion for native plants is so clear. Where does this stem from?
It came, I think, from childhood, and fostered with the love of nature, like through my parents. But then I think once my eyes were open, the beauty, like everything to me is so beautiful out here. And all the plants and everything that they bring, the birds, the pollinators. It's the beauty that holds me, because I think we can all find a little something that we like in that.
What gets you fired up about native plants?
What gets me fired up about native plants is the power behind them, and how each native plant is like a little character. And that's how I see them. They're like their own, they have their own personality, they have their own wants, needs, and desires, and then they have their own gifts that they give you. So that's what gets me fired up about native plants.
So Alex, I know you have something a little extra special here at Origin Native Plants. Did you want to tell us a little bit about your orchard?
Yes, I'd love to tell you about the orchard. The orchard is planted in memory of Shirley Anthony Small. He was a lover of nature, a seed saver, a waterman, and he taught me a lot about how to live off the land and how to live with the land and not force things. And so we planted this memorial orchard for him in the fall of 2025, and it's taking off now. So we even expect to have some berries from it this year. So that will be the first fruit from the Shirley Anthony Small orchard.
Amazing. That's so awesome.
Yeah.
And he was your godfather?
He was. So he's Bayesian, actually. Like he was born and raised in Barbados. But my dad and him were like brothers. So that's for him. And it's a powerful place.
Alex, what is the one thing you want everyone to know about Origin native plants?
The one thing I want everybody to know about Origin native plants is that we're not stopping adding species. At 320, it might seem crazy, it might seem insane, but we're going to keep going. And I hope by next year, I'm up around 350. So more species, more native plants, more trees, more shrubs, more birds, more pollinators, and more love.
Thank you so much for taking the time to walk through Origin native plants with me and Alex. This has been such a special experience. And did you want to say anything to say goodbye?
Plant to protect and restore to thrive.
Yes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you got encouraged to plant some more native plants in your gardens as well. Thank you so much to Alex from Origin Native Plants for inviting me here today, for showing us all the nursery and all of the beautiful native plants that you have to offer. Your passion is so infectious. I loved learning from you and hearing your story and learning a little bit more about the origin to Origin native plants. And this is what I'm going home with today. I'm super duper excited. I've got some pussy toes over here. Those are going to be so super cute. I've got one of the rattlesnake master plants that Alex said was really unique in the garden, which is awesome. This is some whorled milkweed, which is a new milkweed to me. This is going to be my 4th milkweed. I'm pretty sure this one is thimbleweed. I have to remember what that guy is. This is a harebell. I've got some blue-eyed grass here, some false Solomon seal back here, and some lakeside daisy. And then I got some big guys over here, which is awesome. This is a speckled alder, so that's going to be new to me. And then back here we've got some black currant, a native black currant. I did not know that existed, so that's pretty cool. And then down here is my eastern prickly pear, which is awesome. I have a cactus. I'm not sure if mine is the native variety, so very happy to have the true native variety, and very grateful to Alex and Origin Native Plants for all of these beautiful native plants, which are going to find a home in my garden very soon. If you haven't been to the Origin Native Plants website yet, definitely go and take a look. They have tons of plants to offer, and I love the idea of the combo packs. It takes the thinking right out of it for you. You can just enter in whatever conditions you have, and the package is already set up for you. So go take a look and get your shopping list started. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more native plant gardening adventures and all sorts of other gardening fun along the way. Thanks again and happy gardening.